This is testing one method of mounting a wheel on a block motor that we use for MakeCode and Microbit with Lego Technics parts. But we're mounting this to the VEX system using hot glue and a gear that is used in the Lego Technics system. And what we can do is plug this double wire DC motor into a motor driver, turn it on, and it looks like it's going to operate. So what we're going to do now is program this microbit. If we use a Bluetooth app with this microbit, we can control the VEX Dump Truck and other motor-driven kits.